Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or off or change the time limit for guided access on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, on the home screen, open up an app that you would like to use with guided access. Then triple click on the side button. Next, from the accessibility shortcuts, tap on Guided Access. Then once Guided Access has started, triple click on the side button again. From here, enter the Guided Access passcode if you use one. Then tap on Options. From the pop-up menu, tap on Time Limit. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is on, by default it is set to 30 minutes. Now you can change this time. So for example, if you are playing a YouTube video, you may want to set it to 1 hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours. And then tap on Done. Then tap on Resume. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on, turn off, or change the time limit for guided access on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.